Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling Week 8. That's correct. We're almost on the home stretch, starting to get into some rigging. Really good stuff going on. So just to give everybody a heads up, my apologies for missing the announcement time on Monday. It's been a wild week. I actually got put in the hospital right after my kid. We had the same problem with some lung issues, and it's a problem when you have asthma, fun times. So one after the other. So I'm kind of getting back to normal. Everything should be good. But other than that, let's just get into it. So I just want to let everyone know, apologize for everything, and if I missed anything and stuff going on through anything, I will catch up with any feedback or anything that was going through the past week or something. I just wanted everyone to know I caught up on grades. I'll give any messages or anything throughout. Hopefully have everything done by tomorrow is really my goal, and then everything should be caught up, ready to go from that aspect. So, but thought I'd get into what we're going to be focusing on for this week and really getting into it. So yeah, let's talk about that a little bit more in detail. So we're going to talk about rigging. Yay, rigging. So we're going to get at the bones and the skeleton and the structure. So rigs in general, what are they? They're a technique used in skeletal animation using digital bones. Consider the process of creating the bone structure of a model, meant to manipulate the model like a puppet, and anything can be rigged. It's also considered the first part of the animation process over time. Funny thing about it is how it works really is these are when bones are created and you can begin animating bones along the timeline. The process is called keyframing, and then you can set up frames along the key animations to really set up the motion of a rig. And these rigs can take up to a few hours to many days depending on the complexity of the model and the bone structure. It is hierarchical because so each bone has parent and child to each one it connects to. For example, to a hand, to a finger. You also have to introduce weights if you need it, to add constraints if some parts are heavier than others. You can also use kinematics to help create the properties of each bone, and inverse kinematics is one of the best tools to utilize with that to help develop this process. You also have to consider there's constraints along those elements and what are the different areas about that. So yeah, let's take a look into your assignments real quick. A lot of good things that go about this, so let's talk about this week. So again, this is a week that has 2 turn-ins, now including your discussion. Your discussion's pretty cool this week, so I'd like you to give feedback this week. That's really the great thing. So I'd like you to post an image of your finalized character from week 2, week 4, week 6, and week 7 of all your progress, and then showcase just give a narrative of like explaining the story of your progress of your character from week 2 to 7, and what challenges you've overcome and how has it developed your personality of the character over time. Secondly, I'd also like you to, for your reply post, just if you can do me a favor, give the best feedback you can to your classmates. Really add a little bit more detail to that, and see if you can help them out in any way possible. That would be awesome. For your reply post, 2 to 3 paragraphs for each post. That would be fantastic. So this week you're going to finish your texturing. So I'd like to see texturing 2 rendered views, a front and a rear view would be great. Also the project file as well. That would be awesome. Secondly, the texturing should be done. And then also skeletal rig. So we'll begin the rig. So I'd like to see the rig. I want the project file for this. So don't worry about, if you want to give me a rendered view of the character body with the rigging, you can. But I really want the project file. I want to take a look at your rig, see how it's built, all your hookups and everything, and go from there. That would be awesome. So just to check up from there, needs to be about 50% done. So more than likely the torso, the pelvis, and maybe the arms and legs. If you want to save like feet and hands and stuff for like later, or you can just do like the pelvis and the legs, that would be awesome, or the torso and the arms. You can work out that way. Either way, that works good. But yeah, that's what's going to be turning. These are going to be due on Sunday, discussion due on Saturday, and your initial post due on yesterday, I'm sorry. And then reply post due on Saturday as well. So other than that, that's all I got. Thanks for being awesome. I'm so sorry for everything and the issues with everything going on with my schedule. Other than that, we'll get back on track and everything should be good. So thanks for being awesome. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.